Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I will be doing an everyday neutral look with another awesome quad palette by Unique. We'll be using some awesome colors. Now this definitely doesn't look scary. The dark brown might scare some of you, but have a look. Does that look scary in my eyes? No way, because it's not that scary. I promise you, okay? And you'll see how I use it, and you can make your own mind up after. So these are the shades that we will be using to create this look. It's easy, it's quick, so all you need to do is stay tuned. Don't forget, I'm new here, so don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like down below. See you in a little. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first thing that you want to do, always prime. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a prime, not to crime. It's a crime not to prime, okay? So what you want to do is get you can either put it on your fingertips or put a little bit on your brush, and see that creasing there? Now that is one of the things that your eyeshadow primer, our eyeshadow primer, which is this bad boy. Oops, let's cover the lid. This bad boy, Moodstruck eyeshadow primer, and we've got a little bit on there. That will take away all of the creasing. You'll say bye-bye to creasing. Bye-bye. I like to use, first of all, my deluxe brush. This is what I'm going to be placing all of my shimmers and anything that needs to go on the lid. That's what you want to use. Then you've got your blending brush. This is your god, okay? If you've not got a blending brush in your arsenal, then you can't do eyeshadow. is a no-no, okay? So first things first, get a blending brush, okay? Now then, the other brushes that I like to use are going to be our angled shadow brush, and it's got a spot. And then we've got which one have we got? Our liner shader brush. Now this is particularly important in this one, and I'll tell you why when we do the look, but I am loving this neutral look. And then you have got your fluffy crease brush, and then you've got your normal crease brush. Now let me tell you something about the fluffy crease brush. If you the fluffy crease brush is a baby, but it's a baby with a punch, because these two brushes, the normal crease brush and then your blending brush, they fell in love and had a baby. This was their baby, the fluffy crease brush. And she is. Okay, so first we've got Optimistic. Now that is going to be our crease color, and above and on the brow, below the brow bone. First of all, I am going to just swipe and stick all over my lid, and to do that I am going to take my deluxe brush. I love to use this brush. As you have a look at that. I love to use this brush just to sort of, and can you see the way I am tapping onto the lid? No swiping, just a little pat, gentle patting motion. And now we're just gonna kind of just lightly just pat it everywhere else, okay? Just very, very lightly. We don't want as much as we have got on the lid. But what we're going to do is we are going to get some up there under my brow bone. There we go. Let's deposit that. There we go. Can you see? Ooh, yummy, yummy. Okay. So that is your deluxe brush. And then what we're going to do is we're now going to move in with a nimble. Remember, nimble is like our transition shade, and now these brushes, as you can see, they have got color on them, and that's because I've already used them on this eye. If you don't, please always use clean brushes. And to clean my brushes, I in between a good strong wash, I use this lovely brush cleaner by Unique as well, and it's amazing. The brushes clean and dry instantly. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to place a bit of Anstey, a little bit of Anstey in my life. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop her in the crease. Okay, let's just get her in the crease. Tap, tap, tap. And as you can see, I'm just popping her in the crease. And kind of blending her upwards. Now this fluffy crease brush, remember I told you she is amazing at blending, so there we go. And as you can see, I'm kind of using circular motions, not kind of, I am. Tap, 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 and this is what I do, and then I go blend upwards. Remember, less is more, so don't go in with a lot. You build. All you need to do is keep on building, because if you go in with a heavy hand, it's much more difficult to get rid of it than if you were going in with a lighter hand and building up. There we go. Can you see? Can you see that? Ooh, lovely. What do you think? I love the way this is coming out, and this blends so smoothly. Can you see that? No sort of cracks or anything like that, because these are like butter. Okay, so next we're gonna go in. So we've done, so let's call it our transition color for that dark brown that we're going to use now. Marvelous. Okay, and so I'm going to go in with my my brain has gone, with my crease brush. My crease brush is going to be, and then I'm going to go into Marvelous, which is the dark brown, and let us, I'm just kind of going to deposit it along the crease. There we go. And instead of kind of going down, I'm kind of going upwards, because that helps with the shape of my eye. Okay, so I'm going to place that there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm just going to get that connected there, and there you go. There's our eyeliner, and the eye is thicker. So let's go in and get this eye darkened up. Because obviously that had all of that eyeshadow and stuff going on. Okay, so Now what I want to do is I want to blend out this bit. So I'm going back in with my crease brush and let's blend. And I'm kind of going in circular motion now, backwards and forwards, to sort of get that colour blended upwards. Do you see how that's blending beautifully? And then see, I'm not dipping back into anything else. I'm literally just blending, blending, because that's what it takes. There we go. So now that I've used that, now I'm going to go back in very gently. Okay, don't forget to be gentle. And what you also want to do is, because something may look really good in one mirror, in your close-up mirror, the mirror that you've got in front of you, and then when you look back, you'd be like, okay, maybe not. I'm going to take the liner shaded brush, and then I'm going to go into Optimistic, which is our lightest shade, that metallic ivory, and then I'm going to go over top of Ansty. Did I say Ansty? When I was blending, Nimble. Nimble was what I was blending into, not Ansty. So now I've done my inner corner highlight. And as you can see, we've blended that. So eyes have opened up with our inner corner highlight. Get some of that on top there. There we go. Ooh, ooh. There we go. I love this brush because it you can somewhat do a little bit of a blend with it, and then you want to go back in again. After every application of eyeshadow, you always want to go in and blend. Okay, so you're blending this out, go back in and blend. And it's a light, nice light blend. Be very, very gentle. You don't want to go in and be too harsh. But now what I want to do is I'm going to use my finger, because you know what, that is one of the best ways, to place your metallics onto your lid. So I just want to brighten that back up. There we go. And even this one, because with all of the blending, it kind of... Okay, so what I'm going to do is I am going to go and get my eyeliner, not my eyeliner, my mascara on, and finish the show. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Okay, so here is the finished look. Eyes done, lips done, hair down. Well, so here we are. So as you can see, this is your everyday neutral look.